Welcome to Unburden Your Mind and Chill with Mindfulness podcast with your host and guide, Scarlett Shepard. Each episode will give you an easy way to practice mindfulness for reflection, healing, and transformation. All right, here we go. Let's do it. A friend to confide in. Our minds and shoulders are frequently under a lot of strain during the day. And this is our time to pause, to catch our breath when our minds are urging us to forge ahead. Or even go back in time. Let's get anchored in the present. And with that, take a moment to settle in and find a position that feels comfortable, and whatever that may be, you can choose from standing, sitting, or even lying down. Whatever is the most comfortable for you. This time is a time where you can feel a sense of peace where you're at, and close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's start breathing in through the nose for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. And exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Let it out. Just allow yourself to soften and let your breath settle into its natural flow. And no need to change it or control it. Just allow it to follow its own path. Now that we've shifted into the practice, let's think of a person we genuinely believe has our back, has our best interest at heart. And it can be anyone that you want to call into your mind. And this person has shown up for you with kindness and support. This is a person who may be a close friend or a relative or a teacher or a neighbor. And I invite you to call them into your mind. Invite that presence of love and support, the presence of kindness that they always are beaming to you. They're radiating to you. And imagine that someone in your life that is always there for you, sharing laughter, sharing joy, feeling heard, feeling loved, feeling respected, feeling connected to this energy of loving, of kindness. And picture this person sitting in front of you and this energy of support as they accept and love you unconditionally. It's mirroring back to you because you accept and love them unconditionally. You confide in them whenever you need to. They confide in you whenever they need to. And as they face you and as they sit with you here in this space, in this connected space, you notice their smile, and their smile invigorates you, and you feel lighter. And as you face them and you sit with them, your smile invigorates them. They feel lighter. They feel that loving kindness, that energy reflected. I invite you now to put your hand gently over your heart. Take this moment and feel the warmth of your hand lovingly resting on your heart, softening your entire body from your nose to your calves, up to your belly, to your chest, to your shoulders, to your face, to your nose, to your forehead, all the way to the crown of your head. Breathe in and think about the word comfort. Breathe out and visualize the word nurture. And if you find your mind is wandering, it's okay. Just draw your attention back and anchor in the words comfort, nurture, allowing you to find comfort and nurture yourself in this moment, this beautiful moment with your friend. And may these words comfort and nurture carry you as you take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And may you repeat comfort, nurture in your mind, or you can even say it aloud if that feels comfortable for you. Comfort, nurture, hear the words in your mind. Comfort and nurture echo in kindfulness. You are loved. You are whole. You are an echo with kindfulness. The words, you are loved. You are whole. And also you can say to yourself, may I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. And echo with kindfulness to them. We're returning the same well wishes to them as we have imparted on ourselves. Echo with kindfulness to them. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace wherever you are. And as we close this meditation, I want to invite you and encourage you. Extend compassion to yourself, to those around you, and the larger world. And the intention here is simply to radiate love and joy. And I want to say, may you be as resilient as a friend to confide in, as friendship, and not only to the friendship with the friend that you confide in, but the friendship with yourself. And as we come to a close, I invite you to wiggle your toes and open your eyes when you are ready, when it feels right. And thank you for meditating with me. It is an absolute honor to be here with you and for us to practice with ease together, because when we do practice, we grow stronger in confidence within, to trust ourselves, to trust our inner wisdom. feel free to tag a friend or a family member via social media and share this with them. Encourage them to try the meditation and give them the gift of mindfulness.